हाय हेलो सत श्री अकाल। यू ऑल आर वाचिंग पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स। मैं हूं आपके साथ नमिता सृष्टि और आज हमारे साथ दो ऐसे बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में आग लगाने का सोच लिया है एज न्यू कमर्स भी अगर हम उनकी बात करते हैं। वेल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट तारा सुतारिया एंड आहान शेट्टी हु इज विद अस राइट नाउ। वेलकम टू पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स। कैसे हैं
थैंक यू
आप?
सो मच। थैंक यू, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू।
एंड आहान?
I'm doing very, very good.
अच्छा आहान, यू नो ना व्हाट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आर यू गेटिंग फॉर योर फर्स्ट मूवी?
जी
द
बिल्कुल
डेब्यू टिल डेट और पता नहीं क्या क्या मिल रहे हैं। आपकी एक्टिंग, आपके लुक्स, सब आपके फैन हो गए हैं, है ना?
जी
तो
जी बिल्कुल I'm just very, very grateful, very, very thankful. At the same time, I just want to keep my head down and just keep working hard. Don't want to let all that love and all those compliments get to my head.
वेरी नाइस। मुझे तो लगा, जैसे मैंने कहा ना, कि इंडस्ट्री में आते ही ना आप दोनों ने सोच लिया है कि आग लगा के
जी.
मानेंगे और सबकी छुट्टी करके मानेंगे, नहीं?
No,
No, no, no,
thank
nothing
you
like
so
that.
much.
Okay. अच्छा तारा, what comes to your mind when it comes to like Ahan? When we say Ahan, how would you describe him as an actor?
Um, well, as an actor and a person, I think he has such amazing qualities that I don't think a lot of people have seen in a lot of other young male actors. So I'm very excited for the audiences, both men and women, to see this in him because Tadap is a very, very special film with a very unique story, especially from his end. I think the narrative is such that it's something that people won't forget for a very, very long time. And I think that as you asked, I think when I think of Ahan, I think that there couldn't have been a better person to play Ishana because there's one half of the story that I think is so much like Ahan in real life, and then there's another half of the story that couldn't be more, like a polar opposite to how he is in real life, and he's essayed both very, very effortlessly. So I'm very excited for people to see it.
So can we say film में हीरो और विलन दोनों का किरदार किया है आहान ने? What Ahan has to say?
I think so. I feel like there's going to be a certain percentage of the audience that will leave the film thinking, "Arey yaar, Shana to hero tha." And there'll be that other half who are going to be like, "Arey, ye to villain nikla." So there will be a debate about that, but that again is all up to the audience.
But Ahan, looking at you in the trailer itself, है ना,
Right.
we have एक सीन कि ऐसा लग रहा है देखकर कि आपने बहुत सारी की है, बहुत मेहनत की है इसके लिए. Be it your dialogues, be it your like eyes, be it your presentation, be it your action moves, anything we talk about. So कब से ट्रेनिंग शुरू हुई एक्टिंग की, आहान की?
I started training in 2014, just because I knew I wanted to be an actor at this point. So मैं dance, martial arts, guitar, singing, acting, सब कुछ कर रहा था. And then I met Sajid sir in 2016, and that's when I signed my contract with Nadia Donna. Then in 2018, when I got the film, I tried to solely work on specific things needed for the film. जैसे कि इस पिक्चर में मार्शल आर्ट्स की जरूरत नहीं थी. I didn't need martial arts in this film because the action is very, very raw. So I had to kind of unlearn certain things. The way you punch, don't be so technical, certain things like that. And then for this film, I had to learn how to ride a bike, learn how to smoke, and then when it came down to performing, I think Milan sir was an amazing director. More than a director, he was our friend on set. He would, I think Tara would agree with me on this. And he really guided me throughout the whole process. Even though he's such an experienced director, he didn't take control. He let Tara and I play the characters the way we wanted to play the characters. He gave us that complete freedom. So I think that really helped me going forward. And gave me that confidence to be able to portray Ishana the way I want.
वैसे एक चीज जो मैं आप दोनों से पूछना चाहूंगी, RX100 आप दोनों ने देखी है?
जी बिल्कुल, of course.
ओके, तो आपके डायरेक्टर साहब ने आपको कोई रेफरेंसेस लेने के लिए भी बोला अपने अपने
वैसे कोई रेफरेंसेस नहीं दिए इन कंपैरिजन टू RX100, पर ऑब्वियसली मिलन सर और साजिद सर ने पहले ही दिन में ही कहा था कि डेफिनेटली वॉच द फिल्म and emulate whatever you can from the story. But I think for both Ishana and Ramisa, it was very important for us to find our own way to approach the characters rather than obviously copy somebody else, even though both the original actors were so fantastic in RX 100. I think the flavors and the taste of this film are obviously different because Milan sir has a very unique storytelling style. I think that everybody knows in all of his films, whether it's his music, whether it's his way of shooting action or romance. I think that has really changed our film and added a very different flavor. Also, हमने इस film को मसूरी में shoot किया है, तो obviously keeping in mind that flavor and that vibe, that adds a very different texture to the film.
Very nice. But Ahan, somehow your looks are being compared to that of the original actor in RX 100, Karthikeya.
Right, right.
RX 100 का like मैंने देखी हुई है RX 100 और अभी जब मैंने ये ट्रेलर देखा तड़प का तो मुझे लगा कि बिल्कुल कार्तिकेय को लाके स्क्रीन पर खड़ा कर दिया. Do you also feel so?
You know, it's actually a funny story. When जब RX 100 release हुई थी in July 2018, I went to Sajid sir's office a few days later, and he said, "Arey, have you seen RX 100?" I said, "No, I didn't know what the film was about back then." He said, "Arey, that guy looks just like you. Watch the film." Just as a passing comment, you know. So I watched the film, and I was like, "Yeah, I do see a lot of similarities." And then 2-3 months later, we decided to do RX 100. You know, not because I looked like him, but because we both fell in love with the script and we wanted to tell that story. So yeah, I mean, I do get a lot of messages saying that I do resemble Karthikeya a lot, but I take that as a compliment.
Achha, talking to Ahan na Tara, somehow I believe like I'm thinking like he's a very shy person. Please tell me about him.
Ahan is definitely shy, which is why I actually think the first half of our film suits him so well because he is a reserved person, which is a very, very lovely quality about him actually. But if you watch our film and you look at Ishana in the first half of the story, he's this guy, he's Ahan. So I think it worked really, really well. And to be honest with you, even when I first met Ahan, both of us are, I think, essentially quite reserved or shy. So I think we also connected because of that as well.
Okay, so where did you meet सबसे पहले set पर ही?
We actually had a screen test to do. So that's the first time we met at Nadia Wala's office, and we did a scene from Dirty Picture. And we were filming that scene. That was the first time we met, and I was petrified. When I was doing the scene with Tara, hates when I say this. But yeah, I was trembling when I was doing the scene with her, and they still make fun of me for it. But I think after that,
I had no idea. I had no idea that he was. So
yeah,
we were acting for that day because I had no idea that he was like scared or whatever.
Yeah, no, I was very, very nervous. Not because she's intimidating or anything like that. Just
yeah, because I'm not.
Just the whole situation. And then after that, when we met. I think it was for clothes trial, and we were just very comfortable with one another after that.
Very nice. In fact, I wanted to ask you, since she's a senior to you, na? So as an actor and a senior, did she help you on sets?
Oh no, definitely. There were a lot of times where, I'd miss a line or I didn't understand something. She would always be there. I felt like she always had my back throughout the whole filming process. Yeah, and at times she wanted me to call her Tara ma'am.
Oh, now he's just lying. Now he's just lying.
No, but yeah, she was fantastic to work with. I'm so glad that she is my first co-star. I got to learn a lot from her.
Very nice. वैसे तारा, मैं ये जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी, आपकी इतनी प्यारी सी आवाज जब भी मैं सुनती हूँ ना, तो ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे एक्टिंग के साथ साथ आपकी सिंगिंग स्किल्स को भी एक्सप्लोर किया है मिलन ने फिल्म में. Very nice.
इस फिल्म में नहीं, but in my next film, मेरी जो अगली फिल्म है, एक विलन रिटर्न्स, उसमें मैं गाने वाली हूँ, and I'm so excited for everyone to hear that.
Achha, Tara, we have seen you like from 2019 when you came into films, from Student of the Year to Marjava and now this film. We have seen you working with big banners only, है ना? मतलब how much time or how much did it took for you, है ना, to make a mark in Bollywood since you were from TV? And TV से फिल्मों में आना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Actually, I didn't do a lot of TV. I was with Disney for a couple of years, but before that and even after that, I was working in the theater, I've always been, I trained in the theater, and I was basically a singer before I became an actress. All through my growing years, I wanted to miss as much school and college as I could so that I could sing literally every weekend in Bombay and all across the world, actually. So it wasn't such a difficult transition for me, because I always knew that I didn't ever want to have a 9 to 5 desk job. That's not something that really appealed to me ever. I always was so immersed in the arts and resonated so much with me that I always knew that I would do this. So I think since it was always at the back of my mind, and my parents always knew that as well, it was a very easy transition. And when I was just about graduating college, I had a meeting with my business manager at the time, and Karan Johar, and that's how I ended up doing Student of the Year too, and put music, I think, on the back burner for a little while and put acting first.
So, मतलब being an actor, singing के रियाज के लिए वक्त निकाल पाते हो?
To be really honest with you, I've been very bad, and I haven't rehearsed my music and my basic exercises in a couple of months, because things have been a little hectic for me. I've been shooting 2-3 films, so it's been a little hectic, but I'm with Ek Villain Returns, I've completely gone back to my music, and I couldn't be happier.
Okay, very nice. Ahan, if I ask you, like, parents are our best critics and so are siblings. So Sunil sir, Athia ने final cut देखा film का?
Yeah, they actually have seen the final cut, and my dad came out saying, "I didn't expect this from you," in a good way. So that was a huge, yeah. So he has been my biggest critic throughout my life. So to hear something like that from him really meant a lot to me. It kind of gave me that sense of that I've done well, and maybe he's not just saying it as a father, because he's very, very honest with me. If he doesn't like something of mine, straight up tells me, like, "Listen, I didn't like this." So for him to walk out,
please.
So for him to walk out and say that to me was really meant a lot.
Since he is one of the best action heroes of 90s during his time, so is there anything that is passed on to you as legacy from him?
I mean, definitely. I feel like right now I'm being labeled as the new action hero. But at the same time, I do want to have that, that guy. I want to be able to do a lot of other things. I really want to work on my performance and show people that I can not only fight but act as well. But definitely, I mean, I am my father's son. I'm very proud to be my father's son, and there's a lot of him in me. And I'm just happy that I'm happy and proud that I can carry his legacy forward.
Definitely, you've said it very nicely. Achha, Tara, if we talk about film industry now, the industry is full of competition, especially when it comes to females. So what do you do to stand out of this competition?
I think to begin with, I don't look at it as competition at all. To be really honest with you, I know a lot of people say this, but I think it's we've reached a time and a place in life in general and in the industry where I think everybody has their own niche, everybody has their strengths and their weaknesses, and I think we're a very aware bunch of young actors who know what their position is, what their strengths are, where they want to take their careers, and what choices they want to make for themselves. So I think there's room for all of us, and I think we're kind of proving that. And I'm not talking about myself, I'm talking about everybody, especially in, I think, our crop of young newcomers. I think everybody's shining in their own space, and we've all sort of made certain choices already that put us in a league of our own. So I think the competition really is only with oneself.
So one last question to both of you, what you both are expecting from the viewers or your fans, because your fan following is just going up day by day by day, and it's really commendable, because somehow they would compare this movie with the original as it was a cult classic. Starting from you, Ahan.
Yeah, definitely those comparisons are going to be there. They'll always be there. The basic storyline is the same, but situationally it's very, very different. But I just hope that they really like our performance. But we really worked hard the last 2 years on this film. They're going to go through and a roller coaster of emotions, and they're gonna, walk out of the film with a very different opinions. So I'm really looking forward to what people have to say once they're done watching.
Very nice. Tara?
This film is really, really, when you watch the trailer, you realize, okay, this is an intense story, or you see our posters, or you see our songs, or hear our music, and you know that it's, okay, this is an intense story. But I feel like, I think our common hope for this film is that people come out of the film at the end of it, and even perhaps at the interval, feeling a little bit shaken. I want people to feel moved, and I want them to feel every single emotion, because even when I watched the film a while ago, I was really not expecting to sort of get goosebumps and to feel a little moved in a way that I haven't felt, which I think only the movies can make you feel. So I think that's my hope for this film, and I hope people give us that chance and come and watch our film on December 3rd.
Definitely yes. Ahan, one thing which I want to ask you is पहले लोग अभी कुछ वक्त पहले बोलना स्टार्ट हुए थे एक था कबीर सिंह, अभी लोग कहेंगे एक था ईशाना, right?
Yeah, I mean, again, take that as a compliment. I'm very, very happy, with the amount of love that we've received, and a lot of people are comparing it to Ishana's character to Kabir Singh. So that means I've done a good job. Those comparisons. I'm very, very happy.
Okay, so all the very best to both of you, and I hope लोगों को फिल्म जरूर पसंद आएगी, because it's Bollywood, और Bollywood में मसाला movies चलती हैं. Thank you so much for talking to us, Tara and Ahan, and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.